Okay, gentlemen, chassis 113 SL Pagoda. This is our dielectric heat welding machine. Obviously, another exclusive for Heritage. There's no way that your local upholsterer has one of these. It's a very expensive machine. It's over $100,000 new. This is no clunker, but it works very well. So it's basically a giant microwave machine. You can see it says danger high voltage, and I tell you, I'm an electrician by trade. When it says danger high voltage, it means it. It's some really nasty stuff. On the primary side, 415 volts, 3-phase Euro on the way in. Okay, and this is basically a giant microwave machine. You can see here this is a British car panel, and this is dielectric heat welded. This is common in lots of 60s and 70s cars, both German and all over the world actually. But we're looking here at the 113. This is a specialty toolbar. This is all made in Sheffield, England, and we have the settings. There's dwell time, power levels, and some other technical stuff to get the right. We've got a 113 door panel underneath, and we've been experimenting with this to successfully be able to dielectrically heat weld leather. So this is leather, and it's a specialty 100% PVC foam that is very difficult to obtain specifically for this industry. So we need that, and we've experimented and had success here dielectric heat welding leather. Very few manufacturers in the world ever did it. Mercedes never did it. I just want to emphasize that. But it is a look that we can give if a customer requests. So instead of the stitched doors, the three pieces are stitched together with the lines, we're going to basically put the weld lines like you'd see in the PVC. But this is the Mercedes German MB text, and we just warmed up the machine with a test run here, and now we're going to set this. And is it all set up? Okay. So all going well. What we're going to see that bed is pneumatic. It raises air. It will follow it through here, and hopefully all going well. So there goes the bed. There's the power increasing up there. It's going to get up to about, let's see, 7 kilowatts. The timers have timed out. It's held in position to allow the weld to melt into the PVC and the specialty glue. And then all going well, this bed will drop, and we'll have our cake. But that doesn't look good. Come on. There we go. So it's set on a timer. Took a little longer than I'd expect, but there you go. Okay. And this tool is not, it's warm, but it's not hot. This is the whole point here. And there we go. There's the two parallel weld lines. You can see them there. There's a hole there where the door handle goes, so it didn't catch there, but everything else here is glued. Well, it's not, it's, as I said, it's not just gluing, it's a combination of lots of things. So the microwave essentially vibrating molecules causes heat here, heat without heat, otherwise you'd end up with the PVC burning. It's so technology is used in lots of places. Look at the bottom of a modern day tube of toothpaste. You'll see dielectric heat welded on binding, inflatable pool toys, that type of thing, used all over. Anyway, there you go. There's your 101 on everything you never needed to know about dielectric heat welding Mercedes 113 Pagoda door panels. I forgot to film this when we did the HF presentation just now. This is the heel pad for the 113s that we also dielectrically heat weld with the tool, a tool that we made. This is not exactly as original. The originals were molded factory part, no longer available. We, as of May 2017, in the next few months, we are tooling up to reproduce this as a molded piece. But this is certainly better than anybody else worldwide has currently. We've made the effort to do the embossing exactly as the original, and it looks very good when it's in the it's a hard PVC material, grained like the one from the factory was, so it's pretty close. Showing off some more specialty tooling here for the HF machine. This is the tool for the 107 Coupe, an up-and-coming classic. There's not that many being restored around the world, but good-looking car. I'm certain that we're the only people in the world that produced tooling for the rear quarters and also the upper rear quarter here on the Coupe. Look at the detail here. This bar was specially made for us in Europe. It has the laser cut stitch pattern that was used by Mercedes, an exact reproduction of that. You can see closely there. Let's see, hopefully it shows through. I think we can see it there, yeah. And then of course there's the front one for the 107, and you can see it's been silver soldered here, and again, exact reproduction of the original.